If your LED light keep failing, your inverter keeps tripping, your appliances don't last as long as they should, it might not be bad products, it might be power quality. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Most electricians don't talk about electrical power quality. Not because they are careless, not because they are incompetent, no way, but because it is rarely part of their training. Rarely part of their training. Let me explain this carefully and respectfully. I've been in electrical engineering for over 25 years now. Okay, I studied electrical engineering at university. Okay, not just wiring, not just installation. Okay, but the mathematics, the physics, and the science behind electrical systems. Okay, and since then I've designed systems in the UK and Ghana for residential homes, okay, commercial buildings, hospitals, data centers, AI critical infrastructure, okay. And in those environments, power quality is not optional. It is analyzed, measured, modeled, okay, and engineered. Because if you ignore it in a data center, for example, or a hospital, the systems fail. Now, here is the key difference. Most residential electricians are trained to install safely. They understand cable sizing, breaker selection, earthing, basic compliance, okay? And many of them are very good at what they do. And I'm talking about electricians worldwide, UK, Ghana, wherever. But power quality goes beyond installation. It involves understanding voltage fluctuations, harmonics, transients, frequency stability, load imbalance, reactive power. These are not usually part of the hands-on trade training. They are studied at tertiary engineering level. Okay, so what happens in Ghana? A house gets wired properly, sockets work, the lights turn on. Initially, everything appears fine, no problems, okay? But no one discusses, the surge protection. Nobody hardly talks about it. Voltage regulation, harmonic distortion, equipment protection strategy, okay? And then 6 months later on, or a year later on, your LED lights start to fail. The inverters malfunction. The fridges stop working or don't stop working optimally. Appliances degrade faster than expected. And the homeowner blames the product, when sometimes the problem is the power quality, guys. Let's be clear. Ghana's power system is improving, okay, but it is not identical to the highly stabilized European or American grids. Voltage fluctuations occur. Transient spikes occur, okay. Generator switching introduces disturbances. Lightning density is significant in certain areas, okay. All of these affect sensitive electronics. Modern homes are full of electronics. LED drivers, smart TVs, inverters in air conditioning, inverters in your solar system, CCTV systems, internet routers. These are not old incandescent bulbs, okay. They are electronic devices. And electronics are sensitive to poor power quality. This is why equipment like surge protection devices, SPDs, AVRs, automatic voltage regulators, proper earthing systems, layered protection strategies, all are very critical. They are not decorative, okay? They are not luxury, they are critical, okay? Now I want to emphasize something. Are you looking to build your dream home in Ghana? Or are you building already? Would you benefit from regular site visits to monitor your building and receive regular progress reports? Well, if that's the case, and that's you, look no further. Asher and Gad Consultancy at your service. We offer the following services: electrical design, construction monitoring inspections, site progress reports, consultation for all items MEP, witnessing of testing and commissioning, periodic snagging, vetting of specialist subcontractors. We also report site activities to you to hopefully help you spend your money efficiently and much, much more. Get in contact for your building needs. Details on the screen. Asher and Gad Consultancy, making Africa home again, one family at a time. This is not about criticizing electricians. No way, absolutely not. A good electrician installs what is specified. If the design does not include SPDs or AVRs, then they cannot invent it. Okay, that responsibility sits with the system design. That's why I always say electrical design is important. Most homes in Ghana are not professionally designed at the electrical level. They are installed. That is the key difference, guys. You must design before you install. In hospitals, data centers, we model fault levels. We calculate harmonic distortion. Okay, we include surge protection coordination. We monitor voltage stability because downtime costs money. In homes, residential home, downtime also costs money, but people don't calculate it in that way. They just replace appliances. Power quality is invisible, unfortunately. You don't see it in your walls. You only see the consequences of poor power quality, shortened equipment life, frequent failures of lighting, inconsistent performance. Okay, if you are building in Ghana, ask these questions to your designer. Does my main board include surge protection? Is there voltage monitoring? Is my earthing system properly designed? Is my inverter protected against fluctuations or surges? These questions do matter, absolutely. Because once the house is completed, retrofitting protection becomes more expensive. Okay, respect skilled electricians, but understand what their scope is. Installation skill is different from system engineering, and your home deserves both. The goal is not to overcomplicate residential systems. No, it is to protect your investment intelligently. Okay, because modern homes are no longer just wires and switches. They are electronic ecosystems, and ecosystems require stability. Okay, they require stability. If this video has helped you understand the difference between installation and power quality engineering, share it with other people. Okay, because the more homeowners understand this topic, the better our buildings will become. And better buildings start with better questions here in Ghana. Those better questions are answered by correct professional design before the electrician does the installation. Okay guys, hope that was useful. Like, share, subscribe, hype the video, and hit that notification button so you always be aware when Asher and God upload a new video. From God is Chemist here, and from me guys, Yebeshia. See you next time.